Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No Enterprise Incorporated presents. Daniel steals my car / arrested / grounded. Oh boy, I am going to buy a bucket of chicken from KFC. This is my favorite food. Now he is buying some food. Time to steal Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No's car. Ha 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 ha. Note, I didn't buy the red car. Parking the same costed real money. Anyway, back in the video. Oh no! My car is gone. Who did this? Wait a minute. I bet it was Daniel. He's stealing my car. I will call the police. After I call the police. Yes! I steal Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No's car. Yes! I steal Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No's car. Yes! I steal Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No's car. Now I am going to... Oh no! It's the police. I need to drive faster. Sir, put road blocked. Yes, sir. Oh no! I need to stop the car. Hands in the air. This is the police. Get in the police car, right now. You are going to jail for a long time. At the police station. This is the worst day ever in my life. Now I can't escape this place. Hey Daniel, your visitors is visit you. Oh crap, this is bad. Oh my, fuck, King God, Daniel freaking idiot, moron retarded bald ass stealing car Anso. How, fuck, King dare you steals Anthony Superboy and Kayla's classic Halo No's car. You know you are not allowed to do that at all. Your Eric is, right, you know stealing someone's car can get you arrested. That's it. You're grounded for 87 months. But guys, I am really sorry. Please bail me out of jail. Nope, sorry isn't accepted. You are grounded and that's final. We are not bailed out of jail. Now we are leaving. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, tap on notifications, and subscribe for more videos. That's all folks. This is me, signing off, and bye-bye.